Hi, Ninka here from Mike Pero Cashmere and welcome to 95 1B Barrington Street. This home is beautiful. There is 140 square metres of floor area, so it feels bigger than a townhouse. It's really like a home. There are 2 bedrooms and there's also a studio room, so have a look through the video and we look forward to seeing you at the open home. If you think this home is of interest to you, we look forward to seeing it at one of the open homes. There are plenty loaded in there, and also remember this one is in the Cashmere High zone as well, and you're really close to the shops and of course the fantastic Port Hills.